Laptop standing desk wooden desktop study table Northern Europe style computer desk with 2 storage drawers and shelves wooden metal frame studio desk home office computer tables for homework, white. Osmo space and large storage capacity, 2 large drawers for storing items. The computer desk can provide massive space for computer, monitor, printer, writing, study and other home office activities. Home computer desk side table foldable computer table narrow computer desk desktop desk simple computer desk best computer desk small corner computer desk computer table online by computer desk black desk computer desk for small spaces small desk with drawers adjustable computer table. A modern design, it is suitable for study room, bedroom, living room and office, can be served as a computer table, office workstation, study table, writing desk or gaming desk. Great for home office, studio, bedroom and also kitchen as a dining table. L-shaped desk for small space glass desks studying table desks with storage desk cheap white desks with drawers computer desk small desks with shelves farmhouse desks desk wooden desks sale office desks and chairs writers desks PC desk. A solid construction, the overall structure is stable, the workbench is wear resistant, scratch resistant, waterproof, and has no odor.white gray desk modern office desk fold down from wall table executive office desk white office desk corner desk with hutch office desk furniture modern computer desk simple desk kids study desk fold away desk fold up desk compact computer desk modern L-shaped desk folding wall desk home office furniture near me small black desk hidden desk slim computer desk. A high stability and easy to assemble, the overall style is stylish. Black corner desk fold out desk small L-shaped desk home office furniture sets computer desk with storage corner desk with storage. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.